Hello students, the topic of the essay is our class picnic. This year our class went for a picnic to Alibag. There were 40 of us. 3 teachers accompanied us. Alibag has a clean and beautiful beach. There is a fort in the sea, some distance from the beach. We can reach the fort only during low tide. We went to the fort in the morning immediately after reaching Alibag. After that, we had our lunch. Then we played some games. We were allowed to play at the edge of the water. Our teachers kept a strict eye on us. We also played with frisbees and rubber balls. Very soon it was evening and we were on our way home. Some of my friends fell asleep on the bus. It was a lovely picnic. Don't forget to subscribe.